Oof, we're going deep in it. Wow, no warm up questions, no nothing. No, it's cool, man.
Vou começar aqui na back studio aqui na Barbá Cu Dos Mic, do programa do agência Serai. Today we have two special guests. He's the mastermind behind the genre banding album On The Map. So ladies drop in my head. We got DLLV in the building.
What's up? How you doing? Thank you. I got to be here.
And joining him all the way from the States, we have the man who helped him create the hits like She's All Mine, I Wish She Was Like You, the one and only Curlyhead.
Thank you.
I wish I was like you. I wish I was like you. Baby, yes, me fine. Baby, you cause me in time. You will forever be mine.
Gentlemen, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it.
Welcome back to Aruba.
I'm excited, man.
Yeah, really
excited to see what you're gonna ask us. I'm excited to like talk about music. Because we already had a conversation.
Yeah, well,
about music. We were talking about, I think, maybe 2 hours talking about music.
It was a 50 minutes meeting that ended up just 2 hours talking about music.
Wow.
Yeah.
2 hours.
So, no, I'm excited, man. Let's do it.
But music connects everyone, so.
It really does, right?
It really does.
So let's talk about the genre banding DNA of your music. So, your music genre from trap to punk rock to even salsa. So if you had to describe the DLLV sound to someone who has never been to Aruba, who's never listened to music from Aruba, how would you define the common thread that holds those genres together?
Oof, we're going deep in it. Wow, no warm up questions, no nothing. No, it's cool, man. If I understand your question correctly, I would say, because your question was, what sound is really like?
So what makes like DLLV
I think
music unique?
The way it's catchy. Like you wouldn't expect it to be catchy because it's how do you say that?
What?
It's like
Eye-catching?
No. It's like catchy in another way, but let's skip past that part. Indie rock and more upbeat type things, that's me.
You're talking about addictive?
No, genres.
Oh, genres.
Like indie rock. If I would explain to somebody, okay, what do I make and what do I love to make and who makes DLV? Indie rock. It's more upbeat. I love the guitars in it. Guitars are my love and joy.
Who makes the beats for you guys?
Well, I personally have contact with people, but I buy most of my beats from a person called Perel. He's one of the best out there in producing wise, and I'm really inspired to like make music and try to produce music like him. But I'm a long road away from that.
Because he is based in the United States.
He's based in the United States. Yes.
Yeah. Me also. Of course, I go onto YouTube and I search up beats from different types of producers, but mainly like I Wish I Was Like You, She's On Mine, My Head, Feelings.
For me, Where Have You Been?
Yeah, all those songs are beats made by a producer named Perel. He's a goat if we're talking about rock and doing guitar stuff.
But you guys, like for you personally, do you listen to the beats there?
Yes.
Think of the lyrics, put it to overlay it, or?
Yeah, my writing process is really just searching for a beat that put my how do I say that? Yeah, I'm searching for like a beat I can feel with. I just go on YouTube, I search up indie rock beats or anything I like, or maybe an artist or something. I click on beats and I just go through them. I scroll through them. If you can, you can feel it when
Yeah,
it's
you
when
can
it's a
feel it,
beat
yeah.
you should do something with.
Exactly.
You can really feel it. It's the vibe. Just the vibes, and then the lyrics will form automatically.
Exactly, yeah.
It's like breathing.
It is actually like that.
Yeah, right?
And to return to the On the Map synergies,
Yeah.
like the first album you of compilations from songs you released. Like Curlyhead, you're based in the States, so, and DLV, you're here. So how do you guys work together to?
Well, most of our hit songs were actually made here.
Yeah.
Before I moved to the USA, I made music. I usually call him sometimes in the middle of the night. Sometimes he doesn't want to even hear from me, asking, I have a good idea for this song. I have a good idea for that song. You got to hear it out. Sometimes he hangs up the phone in the middle of the night because it's like a few hours difference. But
He calls me middle of the night when it's a school night. Like I got, and I'm in my exam year. Like I'm in my last year, so I gotta lock in.
You were born here, right?
yeah, born here, raised, and left this year or last year.
And you lived in Netherlands. You just
Yeah,
gone to the
I just moved here. Yeah. Our moms are like best friends.
Since college. So
Yeah.
So you guys know each other since.
I knew him since he was born.
he was my first ever friend.
Yeah,
So,
basically.
yeah.
Basically. Yeah, we've been good friends for a while now. We're like brothers.
Yeah.
And who? Because I remember you told me that you were hesitant before releasing.
Very.
He was the one that like, come on, release something, dude.
Yeah, he was poking me to release something, and I don't even know if he thinks it was. I believe it. I don't. Maybe he was just trying to get me to the point. I don't know if he actually liked what I did, but he was trying to push it. Like he saw something.
I
didn't see.
one day I came from playing basketball in Dakota all the way there, and I came walking down here. He was just, I heard music and I was like, hold up, what song is this? And this was this first ever song he posted on YouTube, and I really loved it. And I was like, dude, this is really nice. And I told him, are you ever gonna release something? You know, what are you gonna do with it? And it's, oh no, I just make it for fun. I said, for fun? This doesn't sound for fun. And from then on, I was just with him. You know, maybe at the beginning, I didn't really know what I was doing. He helped me a lot, shaping what I want to do, what kind of stuff I want to do. But it was mostly him. And when he released his first songs, you know, it didn't start really well with all the traction. But later on, he started getting a lot of traction. I'm really proud of all the growth he's got.
Thank you so much, bro.
And like, I'm really proud of what he's become. And that's exactly what I envisioned him to get right now.
What song that he released that you said, yeah, this is it. You got something here.
Like the song that people would really love is not on Spotify. My personal favorite, My Mom. That he had a really nice vocal chain with the flow and really nice app. It was really nice with that.
It's My Mom is a song about how I'm missing my mom while being on the island, because I was at the time 16, and I was feeling like I miss meals with my family, having like watching Netflix on the couch together, and I was missing that. And especially my mom, even in the bad times, like when she yells at me for something I did wrong, even then, even those times, even in those situations, I miss my mom. So I wrote a song about that. Me personally, I don't think it's a really good song, but maybe because I'm always looking to improve myself, and yeah, that should not always be the case. I should love the song because, you know, it was real feelings, but I don't really like the song right
It's an old song, and it's really, it wasn't really a best produced. He doesn't have the really best equipment. But for me, I saw after that song, I was like, yeah, this guy has potential to be one of, if not the best from his genre on this island. So
if I understand correctly, publicly the song isn't released. So.
It's on YouTube.
It's on YouTube.
Oh, it's on
Yeah,
YouTube.
it's on YouTube.
But your own your DLV page or
Yeah, on the DLV page, yes. It's on my, like, I got 2 YouTube accounts. I can't merge them yet, but it's on like my main account. Yeah.
and to go back to the questions. So last year you guys ended Caribbean Vibe, the Caribbean Vibe, the Sun,
Sun.
and you started this year with a new track in my head.
Yeah.
That's more punk rock again.
It's yeah.
So is it a shift, a reflection in your headspace right now, or is it something you just want to keep?
I love that question. I love that question. It is. it's more a shift of my feelings, because punk rock is, I do punk rock when I need to like get something out, you know. I wish I was like you. It's also like a sort of, I wouldn't say angry song,
It was low-key an angry
but you're trying to push something out of you.
Yeah.
And with Sun, I was more catching a vibe, and I was like smooth. I was chilling, but with in my head, I needed to get feelings out that were like bothering me. My thoughts were bothering me, so I wrote a song about it, and now it's gone. That's my head. Yeah.
As we go to local struggle from Aruba,
Yeah.
as Aruba artists of alternative artists from Aruba, it's no secret that breaking out in Aruba as an alternative artist really, a lot of walls in the way. It's real difficult.
Of course. Yes.
While because you're not doing the commercial shit that people love to go to.
You mean commercial as in?
Commercial shit that they let's say a reggaeton,
No.
the usual shit that most that you will hear on the radio most of the
Yeah.
time.
You know, my mom always tells me, be different, be yourself, you know? So I'm trying to do that, and reggaeton is just not in my heart. Like, I never really grew up with it. Because yeah, Nederland, you don't really hear that often. No, man, I don't have the heart for it, and I wouldn't either. Like, it's not me. Reggaeton, it's not me.
So you'll never see him in a Palmood event in Netherlands.
If I
I mean, I listen to some reggaeton, so
yeah. I mean, if I find a really good one, and I'm saying it like, if I'm feeling it, yes, why not? I'm not opposed to it at all. I would try something new, you know, maybe be a little experimental with things.
See, one
But
thing about
I wouldn't
DLLV
switch.
one thing I've seen always about DLLV, he's always never said never to any genre ever. I mean, I would never expect him to go from Sun to Wish I Was Like You. It doesn't really sound like him, but he's really out there. He's told me before that he's open to everything possible, and any beat possible could be on. He could try to put lyrics on.
That if you listen like to On the Map, you start with the intro. You have like 6 tracks on the album, right?
Yeah.
And when you get to She's On Mine, it's a mellow melody.
It
Like
is.
a beach vibe, a nice vibe. Then you go to the punk rock,
Yeah.
and this next track is a salsa. So it's like a fusion of different genres,
Yeah.
but together it sounds good.
Thank you so much. No, I appreciate it. Like, I wasn't thinking about the layout I was like, I mean, She's On Mine is there. I Wish I Was Like You. Okay, Mi Amor is also there. Let's just put them in and see if it works. Maybe later on, when I do another EP, I need to think about the layout and like maybe put She's On Mine and Mi Amor closer together because switching from mellow to punk rock to salsa is a crazy switch, but
No, it's not that bad.
no, it's not.
It feels doesn't give you a time to relax and back.
Oh,
You
yeah.
put everything soft and rock. But the way it's laid out in the album, it works. So
Thank you so much. Huh? That
that's
was an accident.
the whole music video thing. We can because of that. Because I love how one ended continues the next one. Then you
Yeah.
have the clip. Then everything is back to relax. Lyrics wise, then I can understand what you meant by that. The lyrics completely.
Yeah. Yeah, some are a little angry, you know? And some are a little, I just love.
And in Aruba recently, we have call it like a local rise of the rock scene again. You have a lot of
Actually,
local bands
yes.
from Aruba that's arise. You have the Active Mirror. I think everyone in Aruba now knows Active Mirror.
Yeah.
You have the Medicis.
Yeah.
You also have 2 members, and you have Lurks, another local band. The 1986. All of these are
It's actually on the
alternative
uprise.
bands of uprise.
Uprise.
And compared to like 2 years ago and last year in 2025, we have different rock events now. Yeah.
That's so cool,
We
right?
have the one from Pollo, I can't remember the name right now. We have the covers did their own thing.
Yeah, there was one in, I think, Balashi, right?
Yeah, the one in Balashi, and you have Hydra Festival. Which
Yeah.
I think this was the second time they did. And you have the usual Octobers that
you know, when I was a kid, I never had none of this. To be honest, I never seen any Arubian rock. It's always been, it was always America that had them. But now that I've grown up and now that I've seen the genre come up on the rise, you know, I'm really proud that there's a new generation of artists that are coming out of anywhere. And there's, you know, I'm really excited for what's about to come.
Yeah, yeah, me too. I like the way, because rock, of course, it's not a popular genre on Aruba, and it's on the uprise, and it's a whole new generation. It feels like we're rebelling against the norm, if you know what I'm saying, like the like, yeah, reggaeton is low, keep it like that, do rap, do this, but there are people on an island that say no, I'm gonna do my own thing, and that's what I want to do, so I'm gonna go that way. I absolutely love that.
Exactly. Back in the day, because when I was growing up in early 2000, I was in Montplaisir, there was a rock rising in that day. You have local bands from According to Nature, Quebec. But the difference with that time and now, there's no way to release your music like it is today.
Yeah.
Today you have Spotify, even you have a SoundCloud and everything. Back in the day, none of those exist. You have to share CDs.
Oh,
and that's why I never grew up mostly.
Dark Ages. Oh, well, I can't imagine without promoting my music or anything like that.
And literally, you have to go to school.
That's crazy, man.
And most of the Rockettes, most of them were at Colegio. I went to Montplaisir. I think in my whole class, I was the only one to listen to rock music.
Wow.
And you know, in Aruba, you have like a class 8A, class 8B.
Yeah.
I was in the wrong one. The other one, they have a bunch of Rockettes.
You are basically like a rebel of your own time.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So it's excited for me. It's very excited to see the rest.
Yeah, bro. Share your wisdom, bro.
Share the wisdom with us.
Yeah.
The first time we talked there, I told you about Entwine. It's a huge rock band.
Yeah.
It's based in the Netherlands, but from Roger Pace, a huge musician in Aruba.
They're tough.
Like huge.
They are
I've never heard
tough.
them before, but
They play Lollapalooza and all those huge festivals there. They play that.
Which one was the band that made a song for Assassin's Creed?
Entwine.
Yeah,
They made a
right?
song for Assassin's Creed.
The
From
first Assassin's
Aruba,
Creed?
bro.
What?
They made the official. If you play the first original Assassin's Creed, the opening credits, the song they played, that's written by Brainpower, a Dutch rapper, and Entwine.
What?
Entwine, Roger Pace is from Aruba.
No, bro. I was surprised as well. I was like, Aruba, man.
Aruba.
And if you listen to Entwine, the band stuff, Entwine, there's a lot of Aruban elements in there.
Yeah.
The weiri, some Papiamento language, the whole rhythm is just Aruba.
And I can't lie. The first time I heard it from you, of course, I was surprised that we can get stuff like this out of Aruba. But Aruba people are talented. Like, we have so much talent on the island. People, and especially like if there were like good fundings for those type of things, bro, so many good people with talent would come out of that.
That's why I'm so happy we have like the music up now in Aruba. So the Westrat, they are behind like many to buy equipment or guitars, anything that rock people, those people that love rock want to produce rock music can use, rent out or use a place and start releasing music. Yeah, I think there's the music up. They're situated in Westrat, where the cruise ships docks. I see in the future for Aruba, we're gonna see more alternative, more rock people.
I hope so, man.
We need it.
really hope so.
Tired of the same old shit.
No. For real though. We need.
I mean, nothing against those artists.
No, obviously not. Like, talent is talent, and if that's your love and joy, if you get your kick out of that, that's awesome. Bro.
I see it like as eras. We had a bunch of eras. Jaeon's uprising. You know, he created another whole Aruba. And now I think we're trying to make a new type of era. I don't know for sure, but I'm really excited for what's about to happen. I've been itching for something like this. For a while. I've really been itching for it.
If you don't you think about me, what? I've been itching to this.
He's been
I
waiting
went
for
to
a
the
while.
Netherlands, came back. Jesus, what's happening? That's why when I first listened to Active Mirror, I was like, Jesus, that's a first one.
Yeah.
Like original music, original everything. Just
So that's why you're also like investing hope you have your time
yes.
in Active Mirror.
In Active Mirror
Awesome.
and mostly alternative rock. Because most like I still feel like alternative people that make alternative music is always like they don't take
Yeah.
them that seriously. But Jesus,
Bro, alternative people, like alternative music, alternative people. I'm not gonna lie, when I was a kid, like 12, up to maybe 14, I was like, bro, these people are weird, man. They I like honestly, these people were weird. And I was a kid and I wanted to follow the crowd because I don't know who I am yet. But now that I do, I realize how cool like alternative people are. Like
exactly.
they're doing their own thing and they don't care about anybody and what they say, and I love that. I love that. I love that.
and now we go from we just done with the serious questions.
Oh,
What is one of the Aruban food that everyone loves, but you secretly think it's just overrated?
oh, okay.
Croquette.
Now fruit or food?
Food.
Oh,
In my opinion,
go by the what?
some soups are good. Don't get me wrong. Some soba is like perfect. My mom makes perfect, but some of them I feel like they're putting too much ingredients in one thing that shouldn't be worth. And that's in my opinion. As a kid, I used to be a really picky eater. I only like to eat vegetables. I never really like to eat that much meat. But now that I grown up, I really like to enjoy my food. You know. Stop laughing.
Yeah, well,
I would say. Sorry, you said meat. Okay. Sorry, I'm still serious. Right? Okay, but I would say, what's that soup? I don't know if that's Aruba soup made of cow stomach.
sopi mondongo.
Mondongo.
That was one of the good
No,
ones.
it's not.
I think that's what I'm saying. Like, I tried it once at like a snack bar or like just a. I was like, yo, because people are putting it on a high place, but for me, I don't know. I don't really like it, bro. I don't really like it.
Have you guys tried cashew?
Wait,
Love it or hate
I
it?
love it.
I might be
Love it.
too new of a Rubian for this, but what? What's that?
It's basically cheese filled with chicken, peas.
Cheese filled with chicken and cheese. I should choose. Hey, why haven't I tried this?
It's like a Aruban cuisine, but it's very rare to find.
Very rare, yeah. So, my dad told me it was his time. They don't really make it that much anymore.
No, you can
that.
like if you go to the in Jesochi Mart, if you're in Aruban Jesochi Mart, just go to any of the events you're probably gonna get.
Yeah, only look alright.
Oh.
So, yeah.
Yeah, well, again, I'm on Aruba for right now like a year and a half. I'm learning everything right now. Like,
But in Rotterdam, you can find cashew now.
yeah, I wasn't in Rotterdam.
So if you go to Rotterdam Zuid,
Yeah.
there's a bunch of I think there's the tacos like the Chinese supermarket. You have one from Curacao, and there's the one from Aruba. I don't remember where it is. I think it's close to a medium mark. But you can get cashew there.
Okay. Well, I'm going to Netherlands soon, so I might check it out, bro, when I'm there.
I gotta go once or twice, but I stay in America for now a little bit more.
And you also have the Portsman cashew. It's basically hot dogs, put some young cars over there and heat it in the microwave.
No way, bro. No, you guys eat that, bro.
It's horrible as fuck, but I call it the poor man's kefir.
That one.
Just hot dog, young akas. Oof, put it in microwave.
Yes,
Bro, that's
that's
crazy.
It's a comfort food, trust me.
That's crazy, man.
Comfort food. No.
Don't judge with unless you try it. So try it for.
It's really like if you got nothing in the house, just
That what you college kids be eating here?
No, we're stuck with ramen. So
what do you eat when you have absolutely nothing in the house?
nothing else.
Like, bro, you're trying to cook. You want a dinner, but you have nothing in the house, bro. What do you make? Like, do
Hopefully, you have some mouse running around.
yeah.
You have a kododo.
Do you have like a struggle meal?
To me, always my go-to is always ramen.
Yeah.
If I have eggs, I have ramen. I can make a few dishes.
Oh yeah. My struggle meal used to be like bread, and you would toast it, ketchup, done. Yo, is it that?
For me, it's gonna be something that I recently had because it's so easy to eat, and it might sound like an unhealthy one, but there's a healthy version of it. It's popcorn. That's kind of the only thing when I have nothing. Because usually in America, I don't really have a car and everything's really far away from each other. I usually have to ask for lists from my friends and stuff like that. May kuha yung popcorn because I'm thinking 20 grams of popcorn, bring with the people I live with there, and just grab one of them, heat them up in the microwave, eat it, and I'm like, wow, good.
So do you add stuff in it? Like
I put some pepper sometimes in it to give me a little spice a little bit for once and twice in it, but I don't really put that much stuff.
have you ever tried the popcorn with sweets in it? Like you
Yeah, I don't want to talk about that.
have you been to any patés in the Netherlands?
Yeah,
And you have the selection. You got a popcorn. You have like a huge selection, M&M's, chocolate, whatever.
bro.
They look at me like I'm crazy when I say I eat that, and I'm like,
Bro, the popcorn with sweets in it. Oh my, to die for, fam. I
That's
had.
like the saltiness with the sweetness.
Oh,
Something works
bro.
together. Man.
Let me tell you something about the salty caramel one. Oh, Jason, that's peak popcorn right there. Salty caramel, bro.
Yeah, we were here. Look at us here talking about food.
We got a little sidetracked there.
So, not to cause any beef between you guys, but since you're in the States and you're in Aruba, Netherlands,
Yeah.
what's one thing that annoys you most about him? And what's something annoys you about him when making music?
Within the trend of making music.
Yeah, within-
Okay. You go first.
no, you go first. I already know.
No,
what
you
you're
go
gonna say. I
first.
already
You
know
got
what
it,
you're
bro.
gonna say.
You got it, bro.
Oh, I don't really have nothing against him because he's like my brother, really.
I gotta be annoying sometimes.
What's the most annoying thing about him? He uses all the beats I want to sometimes. I'm like, damn, you got to that one first. And I'm like, it's something I've never told him really. But some of the beats he uses, I'm also like, damn it, I had it in my vault. I was gonna write something. I had something written down. As I had to use it for a whole nother song. But it's completely fine.
I'm sorry, bro.
He makes it better than me most of the time. So I don't know what he's gonna say.
So I'm pretty sure you know. So this guy, he always tells me, okay, Dylan, let's work on a song. And I say, yes, let's do it.
Okay.
No.
I knew you were gonna say about this. Yeah, no.
And so he always says, yeah, Dylan, let's go work on a song. I'm like, yeah, let's do it. So scrolling through beats. After maybe 100 years, we find one that suits us both. And then we sit down and we got a chorus. We got something going on. We got a flow. And we start recording. And after 5 minutes, this guy tells me, I'm burned out. And I was already locked in and stuff. And he's just on his phone scrolling on my bed.
To be honest, we usually talk a lot. We usually laugh when we're
Yeah,
together. We made She's on Mine. I Wish I Was Like You. We were on something different because I came into the room and I had the idea for She's on Mine. I was like, this is the idea I have. And he was like, okay, instead of saying this, you should say She's on Mine. And I was like, we really focused on those songs. But after those two songs, we got a little too rested when we were making songs. We started joking around, playing fools, started to do funny stuff.
And I'm trying to lock in, and this guy doesn't let me, bro. But that's the thing. I love making music with him so much that I try over and over again. But-
we're like brothers and we kind of make
Yeah,
fun
that's-
of each other and we start laughing, making jokes. That's the entire day we make it. That's happened. What happened last a few times I'm here, but right now I think we should really lock in.
Yeah, because this is my duo, man. Like the best songs I made, obviously with him, and he's so talented. Like if
Thanks, man.
no, like actually, people don't see it instantly, but he's really talented and he has very good chorus ideas. Like he makes a melody like this. And that's what I like about him, and that's why I like to work with him a lot. But if he just locks in, yeah, bro, he's gonna be great, man. He's gonna be great. Yeah.
Now, as a final question, let's say you guys both are back in Aruba.
Yeah.
The music here didn't work out. What's the one job you guys? What's the next career you guys will do? And who's gonna be the boss?
So I'm in America. You know, I have options to go to some colleges. You know, I want.
What not doing?
Oh yes, sorry.
Oh, okay.
But me personally, right? I want to go maybe do marine biology or engineering, something in those two fields. Or if it really gets to where stuff goes to stuff, I'm just gonna be a physiotherapy and just do that. You know, that's gonna be one of my jobs. Or if worst comes to worst, dumpster man, bro. I'm gonna get killing though, and they make a killing.
So music is my plan A.
Yeah.
And I mean, I got a plan B, but it's not great. Like, I always wanted to train and to be in the Marines. And I've always told my mom, like, okay, if stuff doesn't work out, I'll just join the army, get some money, and I'll figure it out later, right?
Welcome back.
By the
Play the commercial now in Aruba as well, no?
actually,
Welcome by Defense Arumil.
no way. bro.
No, I just saw it last week. It's from the same company.
No, I'm not
destined for
going.
you.
I'm not going
Yes,
out the way, bro. But my mom is a little scared right now because of the times, right?
Yeah,
Like, it's a scary time right now.
For me especially, man.
Yeah.
That is horrible right now.
So
where are you singing?
I'm staying in Fort Lauderdale. It's
Florida.
not really that bad, is it? But now I'm not gonna get political. But now that they're starting to flow to us, since they're done with Minnesota, they're starting to flow to us. There's starting to be a lot more tension. I personally had a few stops already, and it's getting kind of messy out there. But I survive. You know, I'm okay. Half the population in Florida, Miami, is technically Latino.
Yes.
So I live with my people still, but
That's scary, man.
yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Sometimes I talk to his mom, and so I was like, yeah, Jahari saw ice or something. I was like, oh, bro, like I see that on TV, and I hear that he actually saw them up close.
they stopped kids in my school.
Yeah, so
It's fucking rude.
yeah, for me, I think, oh, I just hope he's okay. Like, I hope he isn't like scared out of his shit or something. Like,
To be honest, music is mostly the thing that kind of keeps me sane in America since, you know, my basketball stuff didn't go through and I just had nothing else but music. And so when I actually started music, I was more into basketball than music. But then when I stopped playing basketball because I got injured, music was my number one thing. It's the only thing that kept me sane in my room. The only thing that really, really like kept me alive was making songs. You know, I'm working on my third song right now, and after I'm gonna plan for more features with DLLV, with future Arubiano artists, even American artists I've met through my time at that school. I have a lot of opportunities. I'm really excited for that.
If you have one more thing you guys want to say to the cameras, anything, what will it be?
which camera am I looking at?
Look at this one.
Okay,
Okay. You want to say something first, or I'll go?
I'll say it last.
All right, guys. First of all, thank you for supporting me, and thank you for showing so much love. I would never in a million years think that what happened to me would happen to me. This is just amazing, and I'm loving the journey. But I want to tell you specifically, if you're watching this, be yourself. Always stay true to yourself. Don't change for anybody, because you're how do I say that? What did I say?
Dale pa pimento.
Dale.
Bro,
Nederlands. Ik begin gewoon.
je bent veel meer waard dan je denkt. En...
Worth. Continue.
Ja. Je bent veel meer waard dan je denkt. En ja, just stay true to yourself and you're a work of art, for real. Keep that.
I'm here on Aruba and everybody from America. You know, I love for all the support you guys have given me and for all the people that have helped me through my journey. I'm really thankful for that. And to be honest, this summer is going to be something special for not just me, but for him. And, you know, I'm really excited for what's about to happen. And, you know, stay yourself, be yourself. Don't let anybody doubt who you are. Don't let anybody bully you, because he's a prime example, and I'm going to be a prime example, to be honest, about how people hate on us, but we still stick to our craft, and we still have more people behind us than people that hate us. So,
For real.
thank you.
Ja, for real.
Nou ja, a gente já começar. Estamos ending the episode. Just listen to DLLV, listen to Curlyhead. Not a amazing musician, music artist, local from
Thank you so
Aruba.
much.
Thank you.
Alternatives back on the singles.
Yes.
Usually I have Reg here with me to cut it, so he's the one behind the camera, so I have to do it myself just like this. Reg, aí só tô pra outra vez.